my channel. Today I'm making some air fryer chicken tikka skewers and I'm really looking forward to these. I'm going to make some with thigh meat and some with breast meat and just see what the difference is, see what we prefer. Always good to try different things out, isn't it? The tikka marinade that we're going to be making, we're actually going to make a little bit different. Now I don't know if you know this, but I have to be gluten free and I have very limited dairy in my diet as well. I wanted to make a version of chicken tikka without the yogurt. So that is really the classic way of making it, with a Greek style yogurt, really thick and creamy, and it really coats the chicken. But I wanted to see if we can still achieve a really nice marinade on that chicken without having to use the yogurt. And I'm sure we can. There's only a really small amount of prep with this recipe, and then it's fast because that air fryer cooks it so quickly. I'm going to use my thermometer to check the temperature to make sure that the chicken is cooked, and I'm going to serve it with some rice with coriander and red onion. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching and let's start cooking. So to make my chicken tikka skewers, I want to get everything in my bowl that is going to make the marinade. So let's start with that. So we want cumin powder. Now we want ground coriander, some Madras curry powder, some ground turmeric. We want some mint sauce. This is a new pot. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah. Oh, so strong, so powerful. Some chili powder, salt, garlic granules, and I'm using a ginger paste. Next thing you want is some vegetable oil. Now we can start to mix this together, but we want to form a paste. And as you can see here, we haven't really got enough liquid to get this into a really good paste. So I just add a little bit of water. Doesn't need to be a lot. Just do a tiny bit at a time until you've got the consistency that you're looking for. So I'm just going to pick off some leaves and I'm just going to pull it apart with my fingers. Obviously you can chop this really finely if you want to. So this is chicken thigh in here, and I've added some lemon juice, and that just helps to tenderize the chicken. So I'm just going to leave it in that for sort of half hour. Then we can add it into the marinade. I'm also going to be doing some chicken breast ones as well, and we can compare them to see how they come out. I've got my skewer stand here ready, and I got this one from Amazon. I have not used it yet. So the skewers look quite easy to be able to put the chicken on because you've got a pointed end, and then that goes in there and you can lift it in and out by that center piece. So let's start getting the chicken onto it. This has been marinating in the fridge. Over here I've got the chicken thigh, and then there I've got the chicken breast. Now I've got gloves on because it's going to be a messy job, isn't it? Let's start by skewering some of this onto there. And this isn't going to take very long to cook. We're going to air fry it. It smells so nice.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going.